BizBeat, the insight you need. I'm Junfeng. On November the 28th, China's securities regulator announced 5 measures to stabilize the real estate market, including a monumental decision to resume the refinancing of listed real estate companies. It has been dubbed the third arrow in China's biggest policy shifts in real estate in years. The first arrow is credit financing. Since the second half of this year, the Chinese central bank has provided credit to real estate companies through many channels. This included 200 billion yuan interest-free loans. Commercial banks have provided 2 trillion yuan in credit lines to 20 major developers. The second arrow is bond financing. On November the 8th, a 250 billion yuan in bond issuers quota was offered to real estate developers, including private ones. But the third arrow, equity financing, is the policy with the most sweeping effects. This is because home builders must pay back loans and bonds with interest, but through refinancing on the equity market, they just offer shares, no debt burden. China's housing developers saw both their stock prices and bond prices surge in Shanghai and Hong Kong last week. Investor sentiment has brightened. The 3 arrows are not just about rescuing home developers, but more importantly, stabilizing the Chinese economy. According to the country's Statistics Bureau, China's GDP in 2021 was 114 trillion yuan, and the sales of commercial housing were 18 trillion yuan, 16% of the total. Housing's weight in the economy is larger than that if you take into account related industries such as construction, decoration, furniture, and home appliances. A real estate crisis could be detrimental, being the cause of many financial crises that have happened in the world, such as Japan's housing bubble and the US subprime mortgage crisis. China's economy cannot rely solely on the real estate, but a stable housing market is a must for a stable economy. In the meantime, the 3 arrows are a turning point for the policy environment of developers, but it doesn't mean a turning point for the property market. Firstly, only those developers with quality assets and financing ability can grow strongly. Some unlisted developers with poor balance sheets may have to face liquidation or acquisition. Secondly, the 3-arrow policies stipulate that finance must not be used to buy land and build new homes and can only be used to complete unfinished construction and ease developers' default risks. Thirdly, China's home buyers' confidence needs time to recover from the pandemic. Many are delaying their purchases as pandemic uncertainties loom. The recent easing of pandemic control policies nationwide is offering hopes of things getting back to normal soon. The year 2022 is coming to an end. 2023 is set to be a better year for the real estate sector and the whole economy.